Right, coming in now is the 1536 West Midlands Railway service to Redditch, originating 4 Oaks, formed of unit 323 to 17. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from Btucker Videos, and today I'm at Duddeston, which looks like a really dead station. Not much going for it here at Duddeston. So today here at Duddeston we'll be seeing services from West Midlands Railway and possibly one or two from London North Western Railway as well. So, like from what I can see, like there used to be another pair of platforms over there where I'm pointing my tablet now, and the entrance. Clearly they've been quite disused for quite a while now, as all the weeds and all that are now overgrown. Clearly they haven't been those platforms on those tracks as well haven't been used, because weeds have grown up through where the old tracks used to be. So clearly that other platform hasn't been used for quite a while, and they clearly haven't bothered doing any electrification with it, as there's only like with 2 tracks on the platform along the platform where I am on, which clearly is used but quite minimal and deserted. Not really much going on here. The train we saw in the first clip of the video was 323 212, which was on the 1532 service, a West Midlands Railway service to Walsall, originating Wolverhampton. What like services between Walsall and Wolverhampton via Birmingham New Street is the other service that, like, is the other route that runs services through Duddeston, as I was referring to at the end of the 5 Ways video. So we'll be seeing services between Wolverhampton and Walsall in this video, as well as the other class 323 services we've been seeing previously. Only the Wolverhampton to Walsall services and the 4 Oaks services actually stop here. Those to Lichfield Trent Valley pass straight through. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Duddeston. Enjoy all. Right, coming through now is the 1538 pass from Redditch to Lichfield Trent Valley. (323 208) passing through, heading for Lichfield Trent Valley. Right, coming in now is the 1549 service to 4 Oaks, originating Bromsgrove, formed of 323 204. Departing a couple minutes late, the 1549 to 4 Oaks, originating Bromsgrove, 323 204, departing platform 2. Also coming in is the 1550 service to Wolverhampton via Birmingham New Street, originating Walsall, formed of 323 201. 323-201 has refurbished seats on the interior. Right, departing out is 323-201 on the 1550 service from Warsaw to Wolverhampton. Next stop is Birmingham New Street. Right, about to pass through is the service from Lichfield Trent Valley to Redditch. (323-210) on this service, passing through to Redditch. Passing now is the service from Redditch to Lichfield Trent Valley. The unit is 323-206. Right, coming in now is the 1602 service heading for Warsaw. The service originating at Wolverhampton, heading via Birmingham New Street. 323-221. With the information for British Transport Police as delivery for the middle coach. Departing now is the 1602 to Warsaw, originating Wolverhampton, formed of 323-221. Right, coming in now is the 1606 service to Bromsgrove. This service is from Four Oaks.
Call it Birmingham New Street, Five Ways, University, Selly Oak, Bourneville, Kings Norton, Northfield, Longbridge and Bromsgrove.
323-222, the unit on this service. Departing now the 1606 to Bromsgrove. The service originating at Four Oaks. 323-222. Passing through now is a service from Bromsgrove towards Lichfield Trent Valley. (323-243). Next stop for that, Aston. Right, that's 323-220, and that was the 1617 pass from Lichfield Trent Valley to Redditch, passing through a couple minutes early. I have two services coming in now. Down here, the 1621 service to Wolverhampton, originating Warsaw, and coming in here is the 1619 service to Four Oaks, originating Redditch. On the service to Four Oaks, we have 323-215. That's on the Four Oaks service, the 1621 departure. Meanwhile, on the departure for Wolverhampton via Birmingham New Street is 323212, which is a unit that brought me in 323212 to Wolverhampton. Well, 323215 is heading to Four Oaks. Right, departing out here is a 1619 to Four Oaks. 323215. And departing down there is a 1621 service to Wolverhampton via Birmingham New Street.
Platform 1 from the 1621 West Midlands Railway, service to Wolverhampton.
And the announcements are really late because both started after. Because the two announcements started after both services have departed.
Dudley Port, Tipton,
Right, passing through platform 2 is a service to Rugeley Trent Valley. There's a pass 323203 to Bromsgrove, here to Rugeley Trent Valley. Is 350125. A service from London Euston to Rugeley Trent Valley. 350125, a London North Western Railway service. And it's the first 350 I've filmed for quite a long time, especially in the London Midlands / West Midlands train / London North Western / whatever services. I did film a few 350s up at Wigan North Western back in March, but they were Trans-Pennine Express 350s. That's a London North Western Railway 350. 350125 for Rugeley Trent Valley. Right, coming in now is the 1627 pass from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley, formed of units 323 205. Heading to Lichfield Trent Valley, and as that one passes through, I'm going to end my video from Duddeston here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Duddeston, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comment section below. Duddeston, yeah. Can't say there's much to make of Duddeston station. Only one island platform. Platform 1 on that side, platform 2 in the middle here, and then the disused platforms over there with lots of overgrown shrubbery. So not really much going on here. Duddeston is the sort of place where drunken youths would come and to drink beer. This is the sort of place where drunken youths would come, but I wouldn't even say it's probably worth a visit. Most of the services through here are class 323s anyway, so there's not too much variety, but it's worth coming to for an hour at least to say I've done a video from here, but I probably won't come back to do another video from here. Anyway, my next station will be Aston, so please do check out my video from Aston once it's been released. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching my video from Duddeston. See you all in Aston. Cheerio.